So does it mount? Is it possible to see it physically before you log out on the? Oh, are you on the server? If you go to File Explorer, so is it possible to see it on where
Yeah,
you are right now?
yeah, we can see it. For example, if I go to,
Inside the server, I think you are repeating to the server directly. You can check it as well directly on the server.
yeah, if I go to storage account, and under storage account, when I click on open in Explorer, if I go to classic file share, over here you can see it. So for example, let me upload anything here. Okay. And I have uploaded it over here.
So I think as well we can see the file in the file storage like S3 in AWS like S3 buckets. I think in Azure they call it file storage or something.
Now we
You
have
should be able
not
to see
done
the file as well.
now we have not done S3 bucket. We have done the NFS, which is over
Oh, okay,
here.
okay, yeah.
Over here we call it as a file system, and onto the AWS we call it as an EFS and NFS.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so I have uploaded it over here. Now if I go over here, click on File Explorer, go to this PC, see this file is available over here.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh, that makes
Okay,
sense. Yeah.
now we are going to do blob storage, which is similar to S3.
Ah, okay, okay. Blob. Okay. Mm.
Let me delete this, then we will do that. Okay, let it get deleted, then I'll create one. So now we will go to this containers.
Oh,
Okay,
container. Okay. Mm.
okay, so over here we call it as a containers.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let me show you. I'll go to the storage center. Under the storage center, we have blob storage. I'll click on blob storage. And I will delete this and I will create one more. Okay, so we'll create a new.
Okay, we'll click on create. Okay.
Yeah, I'm creating.
So that's like a bucket, creating bucket. Okay, storage account. Okay.
Yes. So see, while you are creating it, we get three options: hot, cool, and cold. Okay. For example, in S3, you would have seen three different classes of AWS. Have you seen? Like the
Yes.
standard, intelligent tiering, glacier. Over here also, this is the same thing. We have hot, cool, and cold.
Oh,
Hot is
okay.
where when you need a very frequent access of the data. This is very fast. And then you have a cool, which is slower than that, and then you have a cold, which is very slow, which is used for the backup purpose. Okay, so we are selecting hot over here. Now I have enabled the networking. I'll go to this resource over here. After going into it, you could see this is created. Okay, this is created over here. Okay, now if I want, I can simply go to upload and I can browse and upload the files. We do not have anything inside it, so if we want, we can create a container. So containers are nothing basically. So I have enabled the features of uploading it. Now if I go over here, go to overview and try to
Oh,
upload.
okay. So it was disabled by default. Mm.
Yeah, it's disabled by default. We need to
Oh,
enable it.
okay. Mm.
Okay, so can you see this file is loaded over here? Got it?
Yes.
Now if we click
Yes.
onto this, so this is the URL of this file. Open it onto incognito mode. I can share it with anyone. If I open this into the incognito mode, so this file would be eventually opening.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Okay, just like S3.
So
Okay,
you say if you share with anybody anywhere, they will be able to open it.
yeah, if we share this link with anyone, they can open it. Now, basically, over here, what has happened, we have not enabled any security. That's the reason anyone can go and open it. Okay,
Oh,
but
okay.
ideally, it's not done in this way. What we do for this particular file, we also create access control list. Can you see? Over here, we have access control list.
Oh, okay. Mm.
So over here, these are the permissions which is given. Okay, now if you want, you can add principals, like you can add other users also into this. Can you see? User group
Yes.
enterprise
Mm.
within the organization to whom you want to give the access, you can give the access from access control list. Okay, now if somebody is outside the organization, then you can create acquire lease. Okay, so
Oh, okay.
you have leased it. Okay, now we go over here, so it is logged. Okay, so nobody can open it. Can you see? So you have to make it accessible. You have to break the leaks. Once you do it, now again it become accessible for. Okay,
So
now
if you share the link with me, the I should be able to fill the URL. I should be able to view the page as well. Is that right?
upload. I'll delete this. I'll upload something else, and I will share the link with you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, are you able to open it?
Yes. Yeah. I can see it. Yes.
Yes. So
And certification that opened the door. Okay. Mm.
yeah. Now, as I have told you, like for this particular that what we have used. So see, automatically, if we check the characteristic of it, it has picked up hot. Can you see?
Yes.
The
Yeah.
access tier is hot. So you remember, like we have spoken about, like we have three kind of tier: hot, cool, and cold. In S3, we have three kind of classes. What are the three kind of classes that we have? The standard, intelligent tiering, infrequent access, and archive. Correct? In
Oh,
this, we
okay.
have
Yeah.
only three: hot, cool, and cold. Now, for example,
I'm good.
you think like you will not be accessing this data very frequently. You will not be accessing this data very frequently. So what we will do, we will simply go and click on change tier. Okay, can you see over here we have hot, cool, cold, and archive. If we want, we can convert it into the cold. Okay, now the retrieval of this will become very slow because we have chosen cold doesn't tier. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, the next thing about this is another concept very important is the storage life cycle. Over here you go, so you get an option of life cycle. Okay, life cycle management. Into this, what happens, like we create the rule. What we do, we create a rule. So we create different conditions, and based upon this condition, automatically file is transferred from one layer to the another layer. For example, you are setting up the condition if file is not being used for 10 days. So automatically from hot it should get into cold. And again, it's not being used for next 10 days. So it should go from cold to cool. And again, it's not used for 20 days. Then it should go to archive. So if you want to set this kind of setup, you can set it up using the lifecycle management.
Okay.
We have same concept in AWS storage also. Very important concept is this. We call it as a lifecycle management.
So let's assume it's a data that we want to back up to that container. So is it that same URL that will put in the SQL code to back up to that location to put in a database in a job so that you can be back up the data, back up the database to which URL we need to provide in the container? Or I don't know.
I don't. What you want? Can you just? You want to back
Okay.
up your? You want to back up your?
Yeah, to back up from database, maybe from application side or from SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, to back up a data from the database, all the changes to the storage container. I think that we need to provide a link. We have a link
So
in S3 that we normally use.
so this is the container.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think there's a
If you go to this properties, you will get this link.
okay. The
Okay.
URL. Maybe that's
Okay.
the one.
Yeah. This is the link that you will get, and you can provide this link. Okay. But the right way of doing is not through the link. The other way of doing is doing it is by using the AWS CLI.
Oh, the CLI.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do onto our machine, we create a synchronization job. Okay. So whatever is into the folder, that is automatically sync inside the storage account that we have. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, this is the link.
Oh,
You
that's the
can do
link.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, using this link also.
Yeah, I can't remember very well. I think there's another one as well. Storage Explorer in Azure.
Yes, yes. I'm coming to that.
Oh,
I'm
you
coming.
talk. Okay, okay, good. Okay,
Okay. The other option that we have is to create an access token. Using this access token also, you can assign this access token to the individual. Like if I click over here, and this is the signing key, and I make it read, add, create, write, delete, list, move, execute. I give all the permissions. Now if I create a SaaS token, so can you see over here you have got an URL with the token, which you can use eventually with your, sorry, this one, which you can eventually use with your any of the applications or the program.
oh, okay,
Okay. And you can control it from here. If you want, you can disable it. If you want, you can delete it
oh,
from
okay,
here. Also, you can whitelist and blacklist the IP addresses from here. From which IP address do you want, from which IP address you do not want. Okay. Now, for example, if we go to our storage account, if we click in open in Explorer, so see, you can download the storage explorer from here. I guess I already have in my machine, so I will simply click it. If you don't have it, you can download it from here.
oh, okay,
So over here, or the account would be listed. Can you see? So we have file blob container. So if I click onto the blob container, it's taking some time to load. So we'll eventually come over here. So basically everything would be listed out over here. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it will load here. It will load over here. Okay, under the blob container.
Okay. So this is similar to what we see on the portal as well. Exactly, almost the same.
Yeah, same. So
Oh, okay.
basically, what is the use case? For example, everyone in the organization may not be very technical.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so they don't know how to work onto the Azure portal. So what
Oh,
we do,
okay.
we ask them to download this onto their machine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for example, there is a finance team who need to upload data on regular basis, but they are not very good with Azure. So what you will do, you will install this Azure Storage Explorer, give them a training onto this, and they would be uploading all their data and files from here.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah.
Wait, let me open it again. Actually, this is an old version. It need to be updated. Let me update it.
Yeah, that Explorer, I think there's a link to provide for maybe for application or for database so that it can be backing up the data as well. I can't remember. It's been very almost like 10 years now that I've used it very long ago.
See, there are multiple ways of doing it. Okay, there are multiple ways of doing it. Okay, so there is multiple ways of doing it.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can upload it using the storage explorer also. You can
Okay.
directly enable the link as a part of your SQL server. It will automatically back up over here. The third one is using the Azure CLI, where you can create a synchronization job and it will automatically sync and upload it onto the S3.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you explain the CLI everything later. Okay.
Okay, if you want, I can show you the CLI. Just let
Yes,
me
please. Yeah. Mm.
get this updated.
I don't know how to use this CLI very well.
So it would be listed. Now, if you're talking about the Azure CLI, okay, so basically Azure gives you a feature that we call it as an to access your Azure account through the CLI. Okay, so for that, what you need to install, you need to install Azure. What you need to install, you need to install Azure CLI. Okay, you need to install Azure CLI. Now, for example, I already have on my machine. So what I will do, I will use the CMD, and over here I will do Azure CLI space minus minus version. So can you see the CLI is installed on my machine? Can you see?
I can see. Yeah, I
Yeah.
can see you. Yeah.
So probably I will update it. I will upgrade it. Okay, and eventually you have to download this. Without downloading, it will not work. And from where you
Oh.
can get it,
Oh,
you have
okay.
to download it from here. If you will simply search,
Using like a command prompt command. Yeah,
yeah,
right.
yeah, I will show you how it works. So you have
Okay.
to download it from here on your machine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, once you download it,
Because my current work we use AWS, so my manager he like using CLI most of the time and PowerShell. He doesn't like
okay,
we.
yeah. So over there we have AWS CLI.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you used in your AWS training AWS CLI?
Oh, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, you can try using AWS CLI.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so once it is completed, then we will show.
Oh, okay. So with the CLI, we can create the storage account, the container, everything as well.
There is few limitation, but we can do most of the task.
Oh, there's few limitation. Okay.
I am saying it will take some time to get installed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can leave it and come back to it. Um.
No, just wait for 2 minutes. We'll complete this.
Okay. Okay. Almost. Okay.
Okay, so no, there is no point. If you want, meanwhile, you can also install it on your machine.
Okay, sure. I will install it here.
Okay, it's done.
Oh, it's done.
Now,
Okay.
okay, I'll close this and open the CMD again. I'll do AG minus version. Okay, now I will do AZ login to log in into my Azure account. Okay, so I have done into it. Now, if I want to list the subscription, so this is the command to list this subscription. If I write it over here, you could see it will give me the subscription, whatever I have. Now, if I want to list resource group, so it will give all the resource group which is created. Can you see over here? Similarly, if I want to list VMs, okay, so it is AG VM list. So can you
So
see?
those are the current VM you have right now.
Yeah.
That's the list. Oh, okay. On your portal, on your account. Okay.
Okay. Now, if I want in the form of table, so can you see these are the two VM which is running?
Oh, okay. In the form of
Okay.
table. Okay.
Yeah. If I do, AG storage list, if we do AG storage list, so you would be able to see all the storage account that we have created.
Oh, okay.
Okay, can you see?
Yes.
Now, if we want to see the file under this, Now we will run this. It says you do not have required permission needed to perform this because I do not have access from doing it. Otherwise, you will get all the files which are listed over here. Okay, got it? Use the AGCLI. Whether it be a virtual machine or anything, you can use it through command line.
Oh, okay. Mm. I can
Okay.
just check the command to run for it on ChatGPT
Yeah,
to
chat
create
GPT or see basically
CLI to create VM, so it will give me to
you have
ChatGPT.
to create a documentation because it's very difficult to remember it.
Oh, okay. Mm. Yeah, yeah, it's true. Mm.
Yeah, or basically eventually what happens, like if you are working on anything onto the regular basis, then probably you would be able to l- learn it.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Yeah. Okay, so far it's clear, like you are practicing it.
Yeah, I will do the practice, yes, and do more
Yeah,
research on it as well.
yeah, without practice it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let's see what we have covered. We were on to doing the storage management. Okay, virtual machine we have already did it, but tomorrow we will see backup and automate the VM deployment. Okay,
Oh, okay. How to back up VM? Okay.
yeah, backup also we will see tomorrow. So we
Oh,
will see
okay.
the entire backup, how to do the backup for storage as well as VM, both the things.
Oh, okay.
Okay, networking too, I guess we have covered complete. Only DNS part is left, so we will do DNS also. Okay, so tomorrow we will do the backup as well as how to automate the VM deployment.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Okay, okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye.